Here's a new member of our family, Mr. Whiskers. Mr. Whiskers. Hello. Hello. What you doing? Trying to figure out how to put together the barbecue. Pool looks inviting. Oh, 3 months old. He's growing bigger and getting blacker. Hello. Hello, he's got his fly mask on. He sees his auntie coming home. You talking to your auntie? Going out to see where his mom is. Come on, Wooly. And here comes Devin and Carly home from the clinic. Have a good one? Getting like her brother. Carly, what do you think? Time to go in for a snack?
Is she in it?
Yeah, hi Car.
See, don't press the button yet.
I already did.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
How do you make it go bigger?
Turn it off.
The power?
Don't wiggle it around.
Here we are. There's Mom and Carly. Doing what I should be doing. Here's our pet. Oh, look, there's my helmet. Close up. Far away. Close up. Carly's far away. Carly's close. Ooh, I think I see a horse trailer. Ooh, cool. Is this Rose One S? Appears so. Bye-bye. This is Devin. Hi. Hi. Ooh. Bye.
Your Whiskers is getting very wild. It's been banned to the outside. Don't think much of him. Do you, Putty? Do you? You old crab? Would love to attack Putty. I want to get that tail so bad. And this is Devon in a new style. Her underwear, braiding her pony for the show. What a rude. And Jasper's begging to go for a W. Why don't you get your baby? Where is it? Go get the baby. Get the baby, Jasper. Rose thinks it's a good time to nap. Oh, he's getting up. Getting up.
That sounds good.
She's recording.
What do you have to say about anything?
Come on.
I'll be releasing a
Yeah.
single later this year.
Okay.
What?
Did Jasper get fed?
Yeah, I'm gonna put my guitar away now. It's out on the
Well, see, I was planning on feeding him right now. We found it, Colin.
Better.
Did Jasper get fed, Kit?
No.
Come on, you.
Well, Colin let me. Let me beat me up if I did.
Who's this? Vincent Van Gogh.
It's for some scissors.
Let me say something.
Come on. Come on. Colin. Colin. What color is the couch?
Many.
Say,
Psychedelic.
what color is the couch?
Green.
What color is green?
Red.
Come on.
No,
Okay.
you good. We'll do like, wait till I say it, okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
Start again, okay? Okay. Colin, what color is the couch?
Green.
What color is green?
Red.
What color is red?
Blue.
What color is blue?
White.
What color is white?
Black and white!
Black
It's
and
a
white.
dumb
Come
song.
on.
Call Lita Van Gogh.
Lita, where's the kitten? Where's the kitten? Bring the kitten over.
This thing's really hard to.
And there's Kit, who tried out the electric fence today.
Dad, this
Shut up.
He didn't think it was working,
I used
but
this
it worked,
thing
and his hair's a little curlier tonight.
Here's a dramatic recreation of
Okay.
Kit.
No, don't turn it.
This
A
is
dramatic recreation of Kit and the electric fence. Oh, is the fence on? Oh, it's not.
Kit. How do you respond to that?
Come on, come on. Goats in the butter.
Goats in the butter.
New hat. This is a close-up of Lee in her new hat. Yeah, turn your head. A lovely new hat. Lee.
Getting ready here for the Western Pleasure at the 50th Annual Vernon